2025 BMW 5 Series Expert Review. Pros: comfortable and composed. Surprisingly spacious cabin. Great available hands-free driving system. Cons: base 530i isn't very exciting. Tap-intensive infotainment. Is the all-electric i5 better? BMW sedans have been impressing us lately, and the 5 Series is no exception. Slotting between the compact 3 Series and full-size 7 Series, the 5 Series is BMW's luxury midsize sedan. The current 8th generation 5 Series arrived for 2024 alongside an all-electric equivalent called the BMW i5. Competitors include the Genesis G80, Audi A6, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. What's new? The 2025 BMW 5 Series sees few changes from last year. Along with newly available exterior paint colors, we expect a plug-in hybrid variant called the 550e to arrive. A high-performance M5 variant could also make its debut. What we think? Renowned for its combination of luxury and performance, the 5 Series heightens those attributes in its latest generation. It's smooth enough that a 7 Series intender might favor its smaller size, while a 3 Series driver could appreciate its upscale panache. With its spacious cabin, ergonomic seats, and composed ride, the 5 Series is a great commuter car or long-distance cruiser. Abundant tech and impressive driver assist features let the miles pass by with ease. In base 530i specification, the driving feel skews more toward relaxation than engagement, but the 540i xDrive and upcoming M5 add a generous dose of power. This generation of 5 Series shows how BMW understands that inimitable feel that's made the car popular for so many years. It continues to deliver a compelling mix of comfort and dynamism. Impressively, BMW was able to distill that personality into the all-electric i5, giving 5 Series shoppers many enjoyable choices. Performance and MPGs. The 5 Series standard engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged i4 that produces 255 HP and 295 lb-ft of torque. It's found in the rear-drive 530i and available all-wheel drive-equipped 530i xDrive, which both use an 8-speed automatic transmission. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is estimated at about 5.8 seconds. Fuel economy comes in at 27/35 mpg city/highway in the 530i and 530i xDrive. In classic BMW form, the 2025 5 Series is also offered with an inline-6 engine. The 540i xDrive uses a 3.0-liter turbocharged i6, which makes 375 HP and 398 lb-ft of torque. An 8-speed automatic and AWD are standard. With this engine, 0-60 mph acceleration is reduced to an estimated 4.5 seconds. Fuel economy doesn't decrease by much, rated at 26/33 mpg. Buyers looking for electrification may consider the 550e plug-in hybrid variant or all-electric i5. Most powerful BMW M5 ever? BMW isn't shy about the fact it's working on a new M5. Although details are scarce, it's likely that the future M5 will use electrification to be the most powerful and quickest M5 ever. Expect a plug-in hybrid powertrain similar to that of the BMW XM, with either a twin-turbocharged i6 or V8 engine under the hood, which would top the 627 HP delivered by the M5 CS. There's also a chance the new M5 will be available as a station wagon. Keep an eye out for the covers to come off the next generation M5, possibly for 2025 or 2026. Safety ratings and features. In IIHS testing, the 2024 5 Series earned top safety pick and status, the best possible score. Every 2025 5 Series comes equipped with driver assist and active safety features including front and rear automatic emergency braking, intersection collision avoidance, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beams. Adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist can be added as a standalone option or by choosing the executive package. Meanwhile, the Driving Assistance Professional package adds a hands-free driving system, which allows the driver to let go of the steering wheel when certain conditions are met. It can also execute automatic lane changes, which the driver can initiate by simply looking in a side mirror. Cargo space and interior room. Although on paper the 5 Series interior measurements are similar to those of its competitors, we've found the cabin to feel very spacious once inside. Additionally, it has a great amount of trunk capacity. Legroom, front/rear, cargo space, trunk. 2025 BMW 5 Series 41.3/37.0 inches 18.4 cubic feet. 2024 Genesis G80 42.5/38.7 inches 13.1 cubic feet. 2024 Audi A6 41.3/37.4 inches 13.1 cubic feet. Technology. All 5 Series models are equipped with a dashboard display panel that combines a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. BMW's latest operating system 8.5 aims to simplify the user interface, but Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also included. Both rows of seats have USB-C charging ports, and the front row has a wireless charging pad. The so-called interaction bar running across the dashboard provides decorative ambient lighting as well as signals for functions such as a phone call or driver assist warnings. Available tech options include a head-up display, gesture controls, a Bowers & Wilkins premium audio system, and cabin selfie camera. BMW 5 Series or i5. Make sure that's actually a 5 Series you're looking at. It could actually be a BMW i5, which is the new all-electric version of the 5 Series. The two vehicles look essentially identical and offer all the same features and amenities. However, the i5 has an EV powertrain, which enables an arguably superior driving experience on account of its direct responses and silent, vibration-free motors. Is that worth its starting price of approximately $68,000, or about $9,000 more than the 5 Series? Read our BMW i5 page to decide for yourself. Key competitors: Audi A6, Genesis G80, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Polestar 4,